Hi, Stephanie.
Hi.
Tell me a little bit about your program.
So, Miss Steph Science Club is the premier, it's the cornerstone program of Triple F Empowerment Inc. Triple F Empowerment Inc. inspires, empowers, and encourages young people to go into the STEAM fields. STEAM being science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics.
Why you felt it was important for kids of color to learn about science, technology, engineering, mathematics?
Well, first of all, we talk about thinking about their future, right? And if you're not taught something at a young age, if you're not exposed to it properly in an engaging way and in a way that makes you feel as though it is something that you can grasp, that you can be a part of, it tends to be a situation in which young people won't try to do it. They will think that that's something for persons other than themselves. And so when you're talking about young people and people of color going into it, it helps them seeing somebody like myself, who looks like them, who is the biochemist, and who wants to make things fun for them, who likes to work with young people. Also, additionally, thinking about, like I said, their future, making their futures be more expansive versus closed in, bringing them additional potential, right? Making sure that they're able to go forward, to be empowered, to think about other options for their lives and not feel like it has been boiled down to something simple that somebody has told them, oh, this is who you are, you're just this one thing. Absolutely not. They are many things, and they need to be exposed to all of these disciplines so that they can choose which one is best for them.
Nice. How can someone get in contact with you if they wanted to donate to the program or get their child registered in your program for next year?
So, if you want to register for our upcoming Fall Saturday Science Program or Summer Science Club 2019, you're going to reach out to me at Miss Steph at tfempowerment.org. And if you want to donate to us, it's very easy to donate directly online at www.tfempowerment.org/donate. And it's very easy to find us online. If you type in Triple F Empowerment Inc., this is who comes up. You should see my face.
Thank you, Miss Steph.
All right, you're more than welcome. Thank you.
Videotape it.
Him definitely is okay.
10 minutes of that.
No, this was donated to the program. Okay, and so
One. How you doing?
all right. How are
Tell
you?
me reason why, as a parent, you love coming to Miss Stephanie Science Camp.
As a parent, I enjoy the summer camp because first it's a STEM program, which Cole loves, and Miss Stephanie is very patient, very dedicated to her students. Cole has learned a lot. It's a small class, so the kids don't feel overwhelmed, and they have individual attention from Miss Stephanie, from Miss Max, Mr. Max, Miss Kayla. So it's a great program. They get to go to the museum and do fun science projects.
Thank you so much. Would you recommend parents to come next year?
Of course, I do recommend.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
Tell us why you as a parent enjoyed Miss Stephanie's Science Camp.
So I enjoy Miss Stephanie's Science Camp because one, it's educational. Keeps the kids' brains working throughout the summer. So when Jayla comes home, she's enlightened on what she learns from the camp, but she's having fun at the same time. And I gave her a choice. She had a choice from several different camps. She chose this one for the second time around, so she really enjoys the camp. And if my child enjoys it, I enjoy it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Adam, great job. There's your participation certificates. And Adam gets recognized for the best use of slime, ladies and gentlemen. He made magnetic slime. Great job, sir. Would you like a handshake or a hug? Great job. Thank you. Have an awesome summer. It was great having you with us. All right. Good job, Jayla. And there's your folder.
I met her for 6 weeks.
Yes. All right, and Jayla. All right, and Jayla is recognized for the best